Question number 1. Which structure of the eye is the most sensitive but contain no blood vessels? A. Pupil, B. Cornea, C. Iris, D. Retina. And the correct answer is option B. Cornea. Question number 2. What percentage of the human body is water? A. 50%, B. 70%, C. 80% or D. 60%. The correct answer is option D. 60%. Question number 3. How many lungs does the human body have? A. 1, B. 3, C. 2 or D. none. Right answer is option C. 2. Question number 4. How many teeth does an adult have? A. 32, B. 22, C. 40 or D. 24. Correct answer is option A. 32 teeth. Question number 5. What tissue connects two muscles to bone? A. Skin, B. Bones, C. Tendons or D. Joints. The right answer is option C. Tendons. Question number 6. How many bones does a child have at birth? A. 300, B. 206, C. 306 or D. 200. The correct answer is option A. 300 bones. Question number 7. How many parts is the heart divided into? A. 8, B. 2, C. 4 or D. none. And your correct answer is option B. 2. Question number 8. Dehydration in the human body is due to the deficiency of A. Water, B. Fat, C. Iodine or D. Food. The right answer is option A. Water. Question number 9. Where is fat stored in the human body? A. External skin, B. In liver, C. Adipose tissue or D. Hair tissue. The correct answer is option C. Adipose tissue. Question number 10. Which part of the body is the longest bone in the human body? A. Femur, B. Spine, C. Chest or D. Jaw. The right answer is option A. Femur. Question number 11. The main substance found in the cell of the human body is A. Fat, B. Protein, C. Vitamin or D. Carbohydrate. The correct answer is option B. Protein. Question number 12. Messages from all the part of the body keep coming to the brain through are A. Blood, B. Oxygen, C. Nerves or D. Water. Correct answer is option C. Nerves. Question number 13. Who controls all the body parts? A. Brain, B. Lungs, C. Stomach or D. Kidney. Correct answer is option A. Brain. Question number 14. Different organs together makes an A. Organ system, B. Muscles, C. Tissues or D. Cells. The correct answer is option A. Organ system. Question number 15. The process of breaking down of food into tiny simple pieces is called A. Excretion, B. Nutrition, C. Circulation or D. Digestion. The correct answer is option D. Digestion. Question number 16. The dash takes food to all the parts of the body. A. Saliva, B. Heart, C. Blood or D. Lungs. And the right answer is option C. Blood. Question number 17. The blood flows through pipes called A. Windpipe, B. Food pipe, C. Oxygen or D. Blood vessels. The correct answer is option D. Blood vessels. Question number 18. The nose, windpipe and lungs makes up the dash system. A. Respiratory, B. Skeleton, C. Nervous or D. Excretory. Correct answer is option A. Respiratory system. Question number 19. The kidney throws out dash from the body. A. Oxygen, B. Urine, C. Water, or D. Blood? And your right answer is option B. Urine. Question number 20. The framework of bones is called A. Kidney, B. Lungs, C. Skeleton, or D. Bladder? The correct answer is option C. Skeleton. Question number 21. The reproductive system helps to A. Produce babies, B. Digest the food, C. Remove waste, or D. Circulate blood? And the right answer is option A. Produce babies. Question number 22. Kidneys are located in the A. Abdomen, B. Right side of the body, C. Left side of the body, or D. Liver? The correct answer is option A. Abdomen. Number 23. An organ that takes in oxygen and gives out carbon dioxide is A. Stomach, B. Kidney, C. Lungs, or D. Pancreas? And the correct answer is option C. Lungs. Question number 24. What controls all our activities of seeing, hearing, learning, thinking, and feeling? The correct answer is option C. Nervous system. Question number 25. Which of the following body parts are called gateway of knowledge? A. Body system, B. Sense organs, C. Brain, or D. Hands? The answer is option B. Sense organs. Question number 26. Which organ of our body belongs both to the respiratory and the excretory system? A. Lungs, B. Skin, C. Intestine, or D. Kidney? The correct answer is option A. Lungs. Number 27. The number of muscles present in human body is A. 206, B. 700, C. 605, or D. 600? The correct answer is option D. 600. Question number 28. Which of the following organs does not take part in breathing? A. Nostril, B. Lungs, C. Trachea, or D. Heart? Right answer is option D. Heart. Question number 29. Of the following parts of the human body, which one is present in the chest? A. Ribs, B. Heart, C. Lungs, or D. All? And the correct answer is option D. All. Question number 30. Which mineral is significant for the health of teeth and bones? A. Iodine, B. Mercury, C. Calcium, or D. Iron? Right answer is option C. Calcium. Question number 31. The dash takes the food from the mouth to the stomach. A. Windpipe, B. Food pipe, C. Blood, or D. Saliva? The correct answer is option B. Food pipe. Question number 32. Which is the largest internal organ of human body? A. Kidney, B. Brain, C. Liver, or D. Heart? The correct answer is option C. Liver. Question number 33. Total number of bones in face are A. 14, B. 15, C. 11, or D. 20? The right answer is option A. 14 bones. Question number 35. Which of the following is the most flexible part of a human body? A. Hand, B. Shoulder, C. Legs, or D. Tongue? And your correct answer is option D. Tongue. Question number 36. Which organ removes excess water and salt for the body? A. Kidney, B. Liver, C. Bladder, or D. Intestine? The right answer is option A. Kidney. Question number 37. What is the only part of the human body that cannot repair itself? A. Teeth, B. Muscles, C. Bones, or D. Skin? Correct answer is option A. Teeth. Question number 38. The lungs expand when we take in oxygen. This process is called A. Inhalation, B. Excretion, C. Exhalation, or D. Digestion? The correct answer is option A. Inhalation. Question number 39. A human heart beats around dash times in a minute. A 32, B 72, C 100 or D 102. Correct answer is option B 72 times. Question number 40. What type of blood does a universal donor have? A O negative, B B positive, C AB positive or D O positive. The correct answer is option A O negative. Question number 41. Where are red blood cells produced in a human body? A liver, B spleen, C heart or D bone marrow. The correct answer is option D bone marrow. Number 42. Which liquid mixed with food in our mouth? A blood, B water, C saliva or D milk. And your correct answer is option C saliva. Question number 43. What is the normal temperature of human body? And the right answer is option B 37 degrees Celsius. Question number 44. What is the weakest bone in the human body? A skull, B tibia, C spinal cord or D none. The correct answer is option C spinal cord. Question number 45. Where is the largest bone in the human body located? A arm, B spine, C leg or D thigh. The correct answer is option D thigh. Question number 46. How many pairs of ribs are found in the human body? A 12, B 20, C 10 or D 18. The correct answer is option A 12 ribs.